Welcome to my YouTube channel Civil MDS. Today I am going to tell you the standard procedure for painting of walls. Walls should plastered by cement mix ratio 1:5. The use of wall putty gives the paint a smooth surface. It also fills minor cracks and surface defects. Sandpaper for smoothing the wall. Applying one coat of primer to the wall. Allow wall to dry for 3 to 4 hours. The purpose of the primer is to provide the adhesion between wall and paint. Apply first coat paint. Wall should left 10 to 12 hours to dry. Apply second coat of paint. Please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel Civil MDS for more informative knowledge.